In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix the error code 0x800f0955 in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed at the description box below. You'll be able to see a commands there. All you need to do is you need to copy all of the command text that I have pasted and paste it here at the notepad. So once you've pasted all of the necessary commands, you need to proceed here at the button search bar and type for CMD. Once you've typed it, wait until you'll get to see a best match, which is the command prompt. And once it's here, all you need to do is you need to navigate on the right side and click on Run as Administrator. Once you click on it, you'll be able to open this kind of window. If your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this command prompt. So first is you need to copy and paste this first. Okay, it is scconfig wuauserv start equals auto. So copy and paste it here. Okay, and then once done, once it is being successful, please type the second, which is this one. Then click on the enter key. Once done, proceed on the third. Okay, and proceed on the fourth and last. So once you are done with the first set of commands, you need to close this window. Then proceed to the start here. Okay, and then restart your computer. So go with your power menu options and then restart your computer. So once you've restarted your computer, you need to proceed here to start again. Make a right click, scroll up, and click on settings. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together on your keyboard, and then that way or manner you would be able to bring up the settings. Okay, so here at the settings, please proceed to the left side and go with Windows Update and update your computer to the latest update or to the latest version. So here, just have to click on the check for updates or resume updates and wait until it would be completed. And once completed, check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to move on to the next solution. So here at the button search bar again, type for CMD. Once you've typed it, wait until you'll get to see a best matched again, and by that, we need to go with Run as Administrator. So click on Run as Administrator. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this command prompt. So I have here the second set of commands. You need to copy and paste it here one by one. Just what you have did at the first set. So just have to copy and paste it here one by one. Proceed to the second once you're good with the first and complete this command text, and then you need to restart your computer. So this is the first one. You need to copy and paste it here at the command prompt, then proceed to the second and so on. And then type exit. And once you are good, restart your computer and check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to move on to the third and last solution. And that is here at the button search bar. Please type for PowerShell. Once you've typed it, you will be able to see a best match, which is a Windows PowerShell. Here, you need to run it as administrator as well. So by that, we just have to wait until we can get that option called Run as Administrator before we continue. Once it's here, go with Run as Administrator. And here at the Windows PowerShell, you need to copy and paste this command, which is wuauclt.exe /update now. And if it will ask you to type on yes, just type for Y or yes, and in that way you'll be able to complete the procedure. So once you're good, restart your computer. Okay. So once you are good, just have to restart your computer, and once you've restarted it, your problem will be fixed. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.